One LED display has single module blackout problem. How should we do troubleshooting? Let's check electricity first. Module input voltage at 3.8 volt DC is normal. If input voltage is abnormal, we should check power source. The power supply indicator green on is normal. Then make sure power cables stay in a good connection with power supply. If input voltage is normal, let's check if 10p Ethernet cable is loose. Well contacted after checking. Then we replace the single blackout module with a new one. Doesn't work. Replacing the related 10p Ethernet cable with a new one. No change. Replacing the related HARM card with a new one. The blackout problem is still there. Try to replace the related 26P ribbon cable between the HARM card and receiving card with a new one. Mounting module. Let's see if the blackout problem is solved. Now the blackout module returns to normal.